Hi friends, good morning. In this video, let's we talk about Aadhaar payment bridge system. It should be used for the direct benefit transfer. Before going to this topic, I have provided the payment business analyst training for student and working professional. In case you would like to join the course, please approach for me Tamilbusinesstechnews at the rate of gmail.com. What are the content available in this PPT? Aadhaar payment bridge system definition, usage, and how subsidiary credit should be happen, how does it should be work, account mapper in NPCI network, failure reason, advantage of Aadhaar payment bridge system. These are the content available in my PPT. APBS definition, Aadhaar payment bridge system definition. Instead of your account number, they initiate the transaction via your Aadhaar number. They never ever use anything about your financial information. Just the payment file, they given the Aadhaar number and amount, the transaction should be initiated. This is for the simple definition of ABPS system. The Aadhaar payment bridge system is a payment system developed by NPCA, National Payment Corporation of India, because this system it's belong to Indian payment system that use a person Aadhaar number as a financial address to route government benefit payment directly into the beneficiary bank account under the direct benefit transfer scheme, because Aadhaar payment system it should be used for direct benefit transfer scheme. Where how does it should be used? Government need to be pay the subsidy to the citizens. They initiate the bulk payment and that subsidy should be created for the citizen account, because in the bulk payment file they mention the Aadhaar number and amount that it should be reached for the sponsor bank to NPCI network to beneficiary bank. Finally, it should be created for that citizen. It should be used for the both side government as well as the government agencies. Ensure Aadhaar payment is a direct and a transparent credit payment, because who is the beneficiary, that person whenever open the account on the time he or she submit the Aadhaar number also. So beneficiary bank itself Aadhaar number mapped against for the account number, and it should be removed for intermediaries and reduce the leakage, delays and frauds. Some example: Aadhaar payments, LPG subsidies, minimum wages, pension schemes, scholarship distribution, and number of government schemes happen via Aadhaar payment bridge system. Let's go to the simple example. I am pursuing my LPG for each and every month. So I need to get my subsidy also. That is the scenario. How I am get the subsidy? First, I go approach for the Indian or Bharat or any kind of LPG subsidy. I will open. I will get my subscriber number after make my payment. So each and every month I get my gas cylinder. Even I get my subsidy amount also. So either the government department or agency, okay, they prepare for that direct benefit transfer. Okay, inside the file they mention the Aadhaar number plus amount, only for the Aadhaar number plus amount. So that government department or agency, they hand over the file to the sponsor bank. Sponsor bank means that bank the government hold the account, because that bank only amount should be debited, that amount it should be given for the beneficiary side. The sponsor bank, what they happen, they get the direct benefit transfer file to that government or government agency. After it should be reached for the sponsor bank forward the file to that NPCI. Okay, inside the NPCI they maintain for that Aadhaar mapper. Okay, in the Aadhaar mapper tabbing, they mention that Aadhaar number and respective beneficiary account number. So based on this NPCI Aadhaar mapper, it should be reached for the beneficiary bank. Once it should be reached for the beneficiary bank, after that particular amount, it should be credited for that beneficiary account. So this way only you got your subsidy. This is for the example flow. Next. How Aadhaar payment bridge system pick the account number in bank side, that you need to understand, right? I will tell you Aadhaar mapper. That is a major component. NPCI network they maintain for the Aadhaar mapper. In the Aadhaar mapper, they maintain for that Aadhaar number as well as a beneficiary account number. So central database maintained by NPCA. If map Aadhaar number to the latest active bank account provided by banks, because always your Aadhaar mapper happen for the latest account only. Suppose as a person have a three account, bank A they have account, bank B they have account, bank C they have account. Bank A they open for the first account. Bank B, they open for the second account. Bank C, they open for the third account. But which one is latestly open? Bank C. That account only it should be mapped for the NPCA Aadhaar mapper. Remaining two account is not mapped. Even though that is mapped also, that is a inactivated status because which one is the latest account that only it's mapped for the Aadhaar mapper. How does the payment system work? First, what they happen? Customer need to be link Aadhaar number to his her bank account. Suppose I plan to open my account in SBI, I need to give my Aadhaar number. The bank should be linked for my Aadhaar number as well as my account number. The bank send Aadhaar account mapping to NPCA Aadhaar mapper. In our scenario, SBI, because I try to open the account in SBI, right? Once SBI collect my Aadhaar number and they create the account, those details need to be sent to that NPCA Aadhaar mapper database. When a direct benefit payment is made using the Aadhaar number, after what will happen? It's go for the NPCA. NPCA check its mapper to find the bank and the account number. Obviously, it should be happen because whenever you open the account, that concern beneficiary bank, what they happen, that details it should be passed for that NPCA network. What is your account number? What is your Aadhaar number? That information it should be passed for the NPCA network, and the NPCA should be stored the information in Aadhaar mapper database site. So the system does not need IFSC code or account number. Aadhaar number is enough. Money is routed to the latest Aadhaar link account number because already as I said that right, you have a three account or n number account. Which one is the latestly mapped? That account the money should be go. What is the core rules? NPCA Aadhaar mapper allow only for one account because that if you go and refer for the NPCA Aadhaar mapper table, only one account it should be mapped. You a person have a n number of account, but all the n number of account never mapped for that Aadhaar mapper. Only one account it should be mapped. That account is an active account. Even if you link your Aadhaar to multiple bank accounts, only one bank mapping will be activate at any given time in the NPC mapper because which one is the latest one that it should be activated. Remaining all the things are inactive status, otherwise they remove it. The latest bank that successfully update the Aadhaar linkage with NPCI become the active destination for direct benefit transfer. What are the direct benefit transfer? It should be come for the beneficiary side. Which one is the latest account? It should be mapped for the Aadhaar mapper. That account only it's credit. The particular amount should be credit for the that account only. See this example. I have a two bank account. Bank A I have account. Bank B I have account. Bank A I have account and Bank B I have account. So I am using for that LPG or LPG subsidy. Okay. First, I opened the account in Bank A. I got my subsidy for the Bank A. Bank A. Because I will tell that right, the bank A collect my Aadhaar number and account number. That information it should be passed for the NPCI mapper. After that NPCI mapper, based on their database, my Aadhaar number and my account number, the NPCI network push the amount to the beneficiary bank. So what will be happen? So which bank you open the account, that bank provide your account number and Aadhaar number to the NPC mapper. So the reason the transaction should be happen. First, what will be happen? I get my subsidy for the bank A for so long period. But what I think that I open one more account latest within a few months. That is a bank B. I provide my Aadhaar number to the bank B. What will happen? Bank B create the account number that should be mapped for the Aadhaar number. Even the bank B also pass the same information to NPCA. So what will happen? It's go for the NPCA mapper table. NPCA mapper table, it should be checked for that whether bank B account, it should be mapped for that NPC mapping table because the bank B account should be mapped for that NPC mapper table. What are the direct benefit transfer? Okay, what are the direct benefit transfer? It's come to that government side to benefit side. All the beneficiary amount it should be good for the bank B only because that one is the latest he opened the account. This is the concept. This is the process flow. See, just I will think that I don't want the bank B because I don't want to get the amount to my latest bank B account. I need my old bank account A only. On the time, what do you need to do that? Just you need to reinitiate your Aadhaar mapping. Just go and visit your bank A and given your Aadhaar number, again you map your Aadhaar number to respective bank account number. Again that particular beneficiary bank puts the information to that NPCI network. After what will happen? They remove the B bank mapping and they map for the A bank details because A only the latest Aadhaar mapping bank. So I will read the step by step process. Please listen very carefully. You link Aadhaar to bank A account. Bank A send the mapping to NPC Aadhaar mapper. Bank A become the active bank for direct benefit transfer. Later you link Aadhaar to Bank B account. Bank B sent new Aadhaar mapping to NPCA account. So now Bank B become the active bank because already you have a Bank A, but right now you try to link the account in Bank B. So Bank B is a active bank. Bank A is automatically overwritten because the Bank A is automatically removed. Next, what are the ABT DBT transaction initiated, direct benefit transaction initiated, that it should be go for that bank B account. But if you feel that bank B it's not suitable for you, you need to get your subsidiary for the bank A. You need to do some steps to in some prescription steps in bank A. So what will you need to do that? Visit your bank A branch or use their mobile or internet banking if supported. Five, fill in the Aadhaar linking from or use Aadhaar seeding options. Submit your Aadhaar number and account number. Bank A will send the update to NPCA Aadhaar mapper. Within a few days, 1 to 3 days, your Bank A become activated. That is a new. They consider that is your NPCA Aadhaar mapper because that only is a newly initiated or newly activated mapping account. How to confirm my Aadhaar is bank, it's linked for bank A or not? How you confirm your Aadhaar is linked for the particular bank or not? I will tell this process. You use for the Aadhaar bank mapper checker. Okay, they have a site. Okay, go and refer the site. You can able to see that your Aadhaar bank mapper details. Aadhaar bank mapper checking. Just go to the site resident UIDAI government.in bank mapper. After you need to enter the account number, you will see the latest bank mapped. Important tips. What is the important tips? I will tell you. Only one bank account it should be mapped for that NPCA Aadhaar mapper. Okay, that account only you can able to get for the direct benefit transfer. If you later link Aadhaar to bank C, suppose you have a two bank A and bank C. First you map for the bank A, that account only you can able to get your all the direct benefit transfer. Suppose again you open the account in C and you map the Aadhaar number, C bank you get for that direct benefit transaction. Once the account is mapped for that NPCA mapper, relinking does not affect your account balance or transaction because you get the subsidies, right? That amount is a common amount. Either you get your bank A or bank B or bank C according to your convenient. They never ever transaction stopping or subsidies stopping or your account. Suppose your account balance should not be reduced if you change that Aadhaar mapping from bank A to bank C in NPC network, nothing will be happen. Okay, just your Aadhaar number only is linked. Your account balance should not be reduced or your subsidy should not be stopped at any point of time. When the Aadhaar payment should be failed, See, I could see that many of the reason the Aadhaar payment should be failed. Okay, suppose Aadhaar not linked to any bank. You have Aadhaar number, but that Aadhaar not linked to any bank. You cannot able to get for the direct benefit transfer. Multiple bank mapping, but non-active. Suppose I will tell you, you map your Aadhaar, you given your Aadhaar for the multiple bank. Okay, but in NPCA mapper, none of the bank provide the details to NPCA mapper. That mapping should not be activated for the NPCA, right? Because the bank should not be share the information to NPCA mapper. Bank account is a closed or dormant. Suppose I link my Aadhaar to one of the bank account. That account is a closed account or dormant account. I cannot able to get my beneficiary amount. And incorrect Aadhaar number. If you mention the direct benefit transfer file itself, incorrect Aadhaar number, the transaction should not be routed for the concerned person. Maybe it's go for the long, otherwise it throw the error. Invalid or mismatched beneficiary data. Suppose you provide the beneficiary Aadhaar number is a wrong or something. That is a mismatched data. Suppose instead of Aadhaar number, you provide for the 2 character, 5 character, or less than a character, the value should not be matched exactly in the Aadhaar number, or some failure in the Aadhaar number validations, that it should not be mismatched beneficiary data, right? Account not Aadhaar enabled bank. Suppose that bank is not enabled for the Aadhaar payment. Small banks, the bank is not enabled for the Aadhaar payment. You try to initiate the transaction for the particular bank. That should not be happen because that bank never transfer the other information to NPC Aadhaar mapper, right? Because that bank is not a part of Aadhaar payment system. Payment exceed allowed limit. Suppose you try to initiate the payment overlapping amount. On the time, the transaction should be declined. Otherwise, they ask for the justification. Technical failure in batch or NPC systems or network failure. Many things. Okay. Multiple direct benefit transfer in same time, short time. That also affected for the other payments. Aadhaar is inactivate or under update. Suppose your Aadhaar number is inactivate status or under update status, on the time you cannot able to make for the Aadhaar payment. How to avoid my payment failure? Please ensure that you need to check with your Aadhaar number. It should be mapped for the right bank account or not. Suppose I will tell you, you need to get the subsidy for bank C. Your Aadhaar number need to be mapped for the bank C account. In case that not mapped for the bank C account, that should be mapped for the bank A account. You cannot able to get the benefits that concern subsidy amount in bank C account. So you need to check whether Aadhaar number is mapped under the respective bank account or not. Just go to the site https resident uidai government.in bank mapper, and you check that confirm your bank has update the Aadhaar mapping to NPCA. Which bank you open the account, that banking send the Aadhaar mapping to NPCA or not. You go and open this site and you can able to check it. Keep your Aadhaar number and bank KYC fully update and constant. You are always your Aadhaar number need to update for the respective KYC details. Avoid linking Aadhaar to multiple bank unnecessary. Don't open multiple bank account. Okay. Check the status via UIDAI bank mapper regularly. So you do all the prescription steps. You can able to stop your payment failures. Next, go to that. See that this is for the sample JSON response. Aadhaar number. This is the Aadhaar number. Transaction amount is a 500. The transaction status is a failed. The reason code I got from 003. Failure reason Aadhaar number not mapped to any bank, because I will provide the Aadhaar number that it's not mapped for any bank. Even that details not available for the NPCA Aadhaar mapper. So the reason it should be throughout the error. This is the transaction date. This is for the reference ID. See third right. See, go to that account closed. So whenever if you see the reason code, this is the reason code table. In case they mention as a 001 means that is an invalid Aadhaar number. They mention as a 002 means Aadhaar not mapped to any bank. They mention the 003 means account closed. They mention the 004 means account inactive or dormant account. 005 means beneficiary name mismatch. 006 means technical error at bank. 007 means Aadhaar underlock or freeze. 008 duplicate transaction. 009 transaction limit exit. 010 invalid bank IBAN. 11 Aadhaar mapper error. So these kind of region code it should be available based on the research code only. You can able to see that why it should be failed. Okay, how to fix failed Aadhaar payment? How I can able to fix my Aadhaar payment failure? Suppose I try to get my subsidy. Even I never receive my subsidy. Next time I need to fix that issue, right? Otherwise I cannot able to get my government subsidy amount. How I can able to make the fix? Relink Aadhaar to your active bank account because government provides some list of bank. You need to open the account for the list of bank only. So you need to relink your Aadhaar number to active bank. Either you visit for the bank branch or mobile app or other seeding forms, anything. Verify name and KYC match because whatever Aadhaar number name that need to be match your account number, name and address like that. Check Aadhaar map status. Just open that UIDAI banking mapper site. See HTTP resident UIDAI government dot in hyphen bank mapper. Just go on this site and refer that mapping happen or not. Unlock or update Aadhaar mapper if needed. Suppose if you need any Aadhaar mapper, what you need to do that? Go to that UDAI portal or Aadhaar Seva, just log in this link and check it. Okay, unlock or update the other. Reactivate dormant account. Suppose your account is a dormant account or closed account, you cannot able to get for the government subsidy. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel and provide your support.